Dobrý deň a vítajte pri ďalšom videu s magazínom Touch IT. Ja sa volám Ondrej Macko. Dneska sa nachádzam na výstave ISE 2024 a stojím pred stánkom spoločnosti Vivolink. Je to o profesionálnom prenose AV signálu, audio, video. Jednak bezdrôtovom, ale takisto aj pomocou kvalitných káblov. Pozrieme sa na všetky novinky. Začíname.
We are surrounded by many different kind of LED walls, nice displays, projectors. What we do here is we connect things together. We connect the audio system together, screens together. This is what we do here in the middle. Our focus this year is much around USB and USB-C, because this is where we see a big demand in the market. More and more customers today in a meeting room, they will come with a new laptop, MacBook or PC with USB-C connection. So we want to bridge that conversion from traditionally HDMI to USB-C. One of the problems with USB-C is the length of the cable, because initially USB-C was actually invented for PC users with a distance within 1 meter. Today, customers would like to sit on a desk and have the screen away from the user, so we need to find a way to extend USB-C cable. This is actually what we do here. Where we have copper cables. We are covering today up to 7.5 meters. If you want to go to very long lengths, this is the new cable we have just introduced. So now we go from 10 meter to 15 meter, supporting 8K picture resolution. And at the same time, we are also having data, bidirectional data, meaning we can transfer 8K image to the screen, but we can also get data from cameras, sound bars, and we can even charge for that one. So it will do a full feature 15 meter USB-C cable.
Very well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Next thing I'd like to show you is our USB-C hub with 2 screens output. And you can say, why do you need 2 screens in a meeting room? I mean, traditionally we had 1 screen in a meeting room, audience will sit around, that will do the job. Problem is today, if you're running a team session, so somebody is sitting at home, somebody is in the office. So you can either choose to see the audience at home, but you cannot see the content, or you can choose to see the content and you don't really know if they're still alive at home. This is why we do like this. I get started here. Imagine this is your meeting room. So on the one side, you can see all the audience at home. So you're in full contact with them with the camera. And on the other screen, you will see the content that you will present. So it's much more live when you're doing online meetings with Teams.
So this is
the new one. Yeah. So it's a complete package where you get the hub. The idea is to be mounted under the table. Then you buy this here. You implement it into your meeting desk, and you connect to the hub under the table, meaning that the user will only have 1 cable connection. This could be the connector you will have on the desk, so it looks very nice. Only 1 cable at the meeting desk, and you have cable internet. You will charge up to 100 watts. You have 4K pictures. You have full data. You have everything. We have different variants of these outlets. So this will be the USB-C. Some of the feedback we got from the market, they really like this aluminium design. And they say, can you make similar one with a hole? Because sometimes I have maybe a touch screen in the center of the table, or HDMI. So we made them now with a hole in the middle. But this can actually be, you can actually see the line here, they can be opened up. So you can have actually an HDMI cable coming up through the table, and then you assemble here and mount it in the table. This was the hub for the picture to the 2 screens. Here we have connected a USB 3 cable, which will go into a transmitter here. This one here can transmit up to 100 meter via a Cat 6A cable. So here will be the data transmitter, and if we go over here, you will see the receiver, where we have 5 gigabit speed of data. So we have done testing with the hard drives, connected a lot of products to the hub here, and you have full speed. So this is where we see the move in USB and USB-C extension to have integrated in meeting rooms. What we like to show here is the different type of solution for a meeting desk. If you imagine the gray square here is your meeting desk, then you can find different types of connection. Everything is around USB-C here, how to connect things. The top model here will have two inputs. It will have USB-C inputs for newer laptops, but it also have HDMI input if you have an older laptop. The clever thing here, it will automatically switch. So the cable you take is the picture you get. This one here is a USB-C KVM extender. This one here will be mounted onto the meeting desk. You connect USB-C cable to your laptop. Again, Cat 6A cable. Up to 70 meters. And this will be the receiver that you will place behind your screen. Here you have HDMI out, 4K 444, and you also have USB connections for touch, cameras, soundbar, whatever you need at that point. This is a duo hub where we have two screen output, as I showed over there, and the little brother, which has only one HDMI out, but basically same connection. Here you can see is how it would look like on a meeting desk, fully integrated. This is a touchscreen, nothing new with that. A touchscreen is a screen where you need to connect HDMI for the picture, meaning you need HDMI on your laptop. Then you would need USB for the touch. Problem is that new laptops, which will come now, they gradually remove the HDMI and the USB-A, so only USB-C left, which basically means you cannot use your touchscreen anymore. Of course, everybody could buy a new touchscreen, and at some point they will do that, but there is a transition where we need to figure out what to do. And this is the invention from Vivolink, where we actually build in a hub into the connector here. So we have electronics inside here. I can turn this way. This is HDMI 4K for the picture. This is USB-B for the touch. Input here. The chipset inside here will convert to USB-C. So in the other end, this will be the USB-C connection to your laptop. So basically, we have an integrated hub in the cable. This is the basic model. I mean, basic is we have picture and we have touch. Some of the feedback we got from customers is that teachers also like to have charging on their laptop because naturally at some point they will run out of battery. So of course we listen to our customers' ideas. So this is a new model. The same, but now we included a charger input, meaning we can now place a charger behind the screen. We can now inject 100 watt power here, and the teacher will have charger for the laptop. So now we've done everything, like the hub I showed, but in a cable. So when we start to create new ideas, we made a similar model, but now instead of having a touch, we have a USB-A connection with USB free speed. So this is the hub in one cable. We have very, very expensive LED walls, screens, projectors. We would need the best quality of cables, which can guarantee they can work for many, many years. So this is our DNA in Vivolink. Everything is in full cover in the highest quality. Vivolink was actually established in 2016. The DNA with our brand was that we want to make complex solutions simple for the user, simple to install. I'm basically born up in this AV world, been here for 30 years. So what we do with Vivolink, we try to simplify solutions, so it's plug and play, easy to use, targeting professional AV market.
Tak ja zase bežím na ďalšiu akciu, je toho tu naozaj poriadne veľa na výstave ISE 2024. Ak sa vám páčilo toto video, dajte prosím like a rovnako si skontrolujte, či máte odber na kanál magazínu Touch IT. Majte sa pekne, ahojte a dovidenia. Čaute.